Good morning, everyone. In this session of research writing, paper research writing, we will be understanding how to identify a problem. Okay, for the students in today's world where we have got limited time, a lot of pressure of finding a problem statement and then executing it. Okay, so this is just a link of my research paper recently published in June 2025. As you can see here, we have got abstract of this paper. So basically, whenever you submit the paper, abstract is very, very important because your paper is selected on the basis of how impressive your abstract is, how well it is written. And even if somebody wants to read your published paper, it will not go through the entire paper. It will first see your abstract. If it is fascinating, then only the person will try to go through the entire paper. So even for submission, abstract is important. Even for getting more citations and attraction of your paper to be read by people and appreciated, the abstract is very, very important. Now, in the next session, I will be discussing the entire paper. The same paper I will show you. This is here. It is they are charging you since they are available on Springer Nature link. But I have, this is my paper, so I've got this. I'll share you the entire flow of the paper with abstract, introduction, literature survey, and so on. But right now, I want to actually first show you that how do you search for a particular research paper. Okay, so what are you able to see on the screen? Yes, can anybody tell me?
The new tab.
The new tab. Can you see the Google screen right now? No? Okay, no problem. I'll just share it again. Here. So right now, somebody told us about the topic. So that person, the student, he wanted to work on this particular topic, which I've shared on the Google, using AI for local people who are not familiar in tech backgrounds. Okay, that student just told his idea in a very layman language. So you can write it on the Google. Just write IEEE research papers, or maybe you can write Springer papers because this is also a very good platform. You can also write, uh, you can also write Springer or maybe ACMW or Web of Science. So these type of platforms, you can get a lot of research papers. So I just click that and you get a lot of papers related to this topic. So you can just click on any of them. So if I click this is not working. We'll go to some another Science Direct. So this paper is there. So here also the abstract is given. Okay, introduction. So this is a paper which is fully available online. You can view the PDF as well. So what is the idea I'm trying to say is that when you write a topic, you will be getting lot of research papers related to this area, because if you plan to work on that particular problem statement, and I was already telling you that you should take such a topic where, suppose you are computer engineering background students, okay, so you can't take a topic totally which is related to non-CSE. So you have to take any topic where you can integrate your knowledge of CSE in that, right? So whatever topic is, if you write IEEE Springer, because these are all uh, computer related platforms, so you will get a lot of papers. You need to at least identify, read some couple of papers where you see that what work has been done. And this, trying to find out through these papers, that is called as literature survey. Literature survey means उसी टॉपिक पे पहले कितने लोगों ने काम किया है, ये आप जान जान के पहले निकालेंगे. एंड देर इज अ शॉर्टकट. आप पूरे पेपर के कंक्लूजन में जाइए. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको लेफ्ट में भी दिख रहा है कंक्लूजन. कंक्लूजन में कई बार फ्यूचर स्कोप दिया रहता है. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो गेट व्हाट इज द फ्यूचर स्कोप ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. बट ये सिर्फ एक ही पेपर से मत देखिएगा, क्योंकि ये पेपर 2024 में है. है ना। तो हो सकता है कि उसके बाद 2025 तक, वी आर राइट नाउ इन यू नो जुलाई 2025, तो एक साल में काफी काम इस टॉपिक पे भी हुआ रहेगा। सो यू नीड टू हैव अ रिगरस सर्वे। सो दिस लिटरेचर रिव्यू यहाँ पे आपको लेफ्ट में दिख रहा है। This is actually telling you that in 2016 on this topic somebody worked, and what were the findings. Then in 2023, wells, they did some work in laboratory. What were the findings? So this is the literature survey. Why literature survey is important to present in the paper? Because you evaluate that, okay, I've done the entire survey and I've come to a point that whatever problem statement I'm trying to portray over here is a valid problem statement. Okay. Now, problem statement, I've already will be sharing you the previous recordings. You can check that. So it can be a type 1 problem or a type 2 problem. Type 1 is totally innovative problem. Whereas type 2 problem is that there is already solution to my problem statement. It is just that I'm trying to get a better solution, and that I'm proposing in the research paper. Now, there are a lot of AI tools I've already shared in my previous sessions for each section of this paper. This is a structure outline of a research paper, and not only for this paper. This is a general structure online format for all the research papers. So I have given AI tools for each of them. But since ChatGPT is very popular, okay, you can go to ChatGPT, okay, write the same topic here, which we wrote here, which the student identified in a general layman language. He told us his problem statement. You can go here, you can just write here and say, identify. Now, see what prompt you have to write, that you have to decide. Identify a good problem statement and research paper titles for the topic given, okay, related to computer. This is very, very important. See, what I'm saying is not you have to do this only. I'm just giving you an idea. So, problem statement, you get a lot of ideas, bridging the digital devised AI driven solution for technologically marginalized communities. So, these are different topics that are suggested for your related idea. Okay, now what if suppose you select this topic? You can ask ChatGPT which topic you find the best, which topic you find the best and novel. Okay, so now it's up to you. You could have taken any of those suggested, but this is what AI has given you. Now you can just write this over here. See what it gives. Now, see, there is something related to participatory, but you do not, here there is a participatory design of AI systems. Now, this is also something related to this. That means some work has been done. So, you can now find your literature survey through these related papers. But you need to check whether exactly the same problem statement is already published. It doesn't seem like. So, you can go ahead with this topic. So, this is how you can finalize the topic. Okay, you try to read this problem statement. Okay, you can also just remodify if you want according to you. Okay, and finally now we say it, write abstract for the title suggested to be submitted for conference, CSC conference. This is how easy it is. In our days, we had to write line by line, but today, with the help of AI tool, it is actually giving you the abstract also. But it's not that you just need to copy it blindly, since it is your topic. So, firstly, you should identify what topic fascinates you, because it is just not writing the content from the chat gpt. You have to do a project on it. You should have a your own thought process on it, your solution. Because if you are going to copy everything from chat gpt, that confidence will never come. And research paper is something, your contribution towards the society, because आपका नाम उस पे लिख के आता है. And the confidence will come to showcase during your interviews when you really do the work. Okay, confidence will not come from copy paste. So just this is a session for you to let you know how you can select a topic through AI. I've just used ChatGPT as a demo and Google, but there are a lot of other AI tools. You can go through the previous sessions. The list is there. So this is how you identify a problem statement very easily, because आपको एक innovative मिल गया. I have also given you some AI tools where you can do the literature survey of this particular topic. Just put this topic, use that tool. Immediately आपको पूरा उसका literature survey मिल जाएगा. ओके, कि कौन सा पेपर कहाँ पे हुआ है. मतलब it will give you a lot of recommendations, and you can use, but it's not just copy paste those recommendations into your paper. Read those papers. Then only you will be understanding what type of your problem statement is leading to. Okay, and then if it is an innovative idea, you can also file a patent for that. Okay, so start आपका यहाँ से होता है identification of problem statement, abstract. Now I will be sharing you one more link of my video of abstract. उसमें abstract की हर लाइन कैसे लिखनी है ये मैंने बताई है. Actually that video I made it for PhD students years back, जब ये AI tools नहीं थे. लेकिन आप फिर भी वो just go through that video, because you will be able to write a fantastic abstract if you know those guidelines. One by line क्या abstract में होना चाहिए, the way I have guided you in a very, actually it looks like childish, but there's no website which says कि line by line abstract क्या होना चाहिए. And why I have given the importance to that topic, क्योंकि abstract के थ्रू ही आपका पेपर सिलेक्ट होगा. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट के थ्रू ही आपके पेपर्स को लोग रीड करेंगे, क्योंकि कोई पूरा पेपर नहीं पढ़ना चाहता है. अगर आपका एब्स्ट्रैक्ट फैसिनेटिंग है तो ही वो पूरा पेपर खरीदेगा, बिकॉज इट्स इन यूरोज एंड ऑल दैट, एंड मे बी इन डॉलर्स और मे बी इन रुपीज, वॉट एवर इट इज. सो the person will believe on you through your abstract. And one lastly thing before I end the session, टाइटल. अगर आप सीएससी के स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो आप एक जनरल टाइटल नहीं लिख सकते. आपको आपका सीएससी का, फॉर एग्जांपल सम स्टूडेंट्स इवन राइट